2017 Chevy Silverado V6. What we did on it was left the original two converters here and here. Then we put a high flow converter 3-inch over here into 2.5-inch intermediate pipe into 2 1/4 tilt center pipes, custom bent into 4-inch tips out the side. Right there. There's the tips right there. We wanted them out the side. Give them that staggered look. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. 2014 Chevy Silverado V6. Beautiful truck. What we got done on it, it's got factory converters there and there. Then it winds into a single. Comes with a third converter, unfortunately. So we went and did something special. We put a Kooks headers exhaust since 1962, part number R300-10. We'll show you the link in the description for it. There's the Kooks logo, R300-10, 3-inch to 3-inch. Then we did a 3-inch tailpipe into a 4-inch black tip. Right there, out the side. They always sound the best on these. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There it is. Came out really beautiful, really nice. Much better. Again. Doesn't sound like a V6 anymore. Chevy Silverado. Go ahead. Much better. What a difference. Again? Oh yeah. I like it. That's what the Kooks exhaust sounds like. Go ahead and back it out. Got a nice little green wrap, nice wheels, really nice. It's nicely done, not overly done. Hope you guys like it. Tell us in the comments what you guys think of the Kooks exhaust. Straight through design. A good one though, like get on it, you know? He's happy. Yeah. You got a card? You got... Because I never know when you need one.